In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Monday, definitive guide. Let's make this simple and practical. Both ClickUp and Monday.com are powerful platforms built to help teams organize work, collaborate better, and make faster, more informed decisions. The difference lies in how they approach that mission, the kind of automation and AI they provide, and how they scale across different departments. By the end of this guide, you'll understand what each platform focuses on, what the real-world impact can look like, and how to think about choosing the right fit for your team. We'll start with ClickUp. ClickUp positions itself as the software to replace all software, and that ambition shapes everything it does. The platform is designed to cut down what it calls work sprawl, those lost minutes and hours when context is scattered across chats, docs, email, and endless tabs. The claim is that a huge portion of work gets lost in that shuffle, and ClickUp is built to centralize your information, decisions, and tasks so teams spend less time hunting and more time executing. At the center is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that provides ambient answers, meaning it pulls information from across your workspace and presents it in the moment you need it. It can manage projects, surface status, and even convert voice to text with AI. Talk to text so you can capture notes or updates much faster. The idea is to reduce friction in everyday actions. Whether you're logging an idea on the go or turning a meeting into organized tasks without retyping everything. ClickUp also emphasizes specialized AI agents tailored to different departments. Project management agents help track deliverables and keep schedules on target. Marketing agents can draft copy to speed up campaign production. Software agents are designed to produce quality code suggestions or scaffolding to help developers move faster. Beyond those, there are agents to manage operations and optimize the employee experience by removing tedious check-ins that often stall momentum. This is all about closing the gap between strategy and execution by automating the work that typically slows teams down. On outcomes, ClickUp markets bold numbers. Organizations can see a 384% return on investment, save tens of thousands of hours, and reach payback in under 6 months. The platform is used by a very large global user base and meets enterprise security standards including SOC 2 and GDPR, which is important if you're in a regulated industry or you simply want to standardize on a tool that scales and remains compliant. The overarching promise is aggressive efficiency. Centralize your work, bring AI into every department, and shave days off the week by removing context switching. Now let's talk about Monday.com. This platform presents itself as a single place to manage all your work, with tailored products for marketing, sales, development, and service teams. The emphasis here is on structured workflows you can customize to match your process, then automate so routine tasks run in the background. That combination, clear structure plus automation, helps teams maintain consistent delivery and make data-driven decisions without reinventing their process every week. With Monday.com, collaboration and communication are key pillars. The platform is designed to keep everyone aligned on priorities, timelines, and ownership, so teams can move faster with fewer status meetings and less back and forth. If you're already using a set of favorite apps, Monday.com leans into integrations so you can connect those tools and keep information synchronized. The idea is to reduce copying and pasting between systems and make your work environment feel like one connected platform. Monday.com is recognized as a market leader and ties its impact to measurable outcomes, highlighting a 345% uplift in ROI for organizations that adopt it. The appeal is a strong mix of clarity, automation, and adaptability across departments. So marketing can run campaigns, sales can track pipelines, development can coordinate delivery, and service can manage requests, all within a familiar structure that can be shaped to your needs. So how do you weigh them? Think about the core distinction and approach. ClickUp aims to be an all-in-one operating system for work with a deep, AI-first layer that permeates tasks, documentation, and cross-functional planning. It puts heavy focus on removing work sprawl and using AI to proactively accelerate deliverables in every department. Monday.com aims to be a unified platform that teams across the business can adopt quickly, with strong customization and automation to streamline day-to-day execution and connect the tools you already use. Security and scale matter as well. If enterprise-grade compliance is non-negotiable, both platforms take it seriously, and you should map those standards to your internal requirements. If your organization is betting big on AI to close the gap between strategy and results, ClickUp's agents and assistant bring that capability into the core of your workflow. If your priority is well-defined, customizable workflows with robust automations and integrations that help each department run its process in lockstep, Monday.com provides a clean path to get there. A practical way to choose is to start from your team's pain points. If most of your time is lost jumping between docs, chats, and trackers, and you're ready to centralize everything with an AI layer that can answer questions and push work forward, ClickUp may feel like a force multiplier. If your challenge is standardizing process, automating repetitive steps, and enabling multiple business teams to operate in one shared system while keeping their unique workflows, Monday.com's tailored products and integrations may be a smoother fit. Whichever direction you lean, keep the rollout focused. Define a clear use case. Bring in 1 or 2 teams first and measure outcomes like time saved, fewer status updates, accelerated approvals, or faster cycle times. That evidence will help you scale with confidence, ensure adoption sticks, and tie the platform to results leadership can see. Thanks for watching. If you found value in today's video, give it a like, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss the next guide.